See, we're here at Laurel Pointe entrance. What we have is a 7-lot community, little gated community, very quaint, and a very nice piece of property. It's a Pointe piece of property. What we're going to be looking at today is a house at 223 Dodgins Road. 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, great layout, and I'm talking about right on top of the water with a long lake view. So you can't get any closer than this. This is a very rustic home. It's in excellent condition. The deck has just been restained. The dock has been redone. Everything looks awesome. So let's head on in. We're going to show you this house. We're going to get inside, show you this wonderful layout, then we'll head on down to the dock and check that out. We are down at the house. You can see nice little quaint entrance area. They've got cedar siding and a lot of the rock accents on the sides here. You also have some extra parking areas. You got the 2-car garage here, but you've got some extra parking areas above, up the driveway. You know, so if you have guests, you got plenty of area to park. One thing we talked about is we turned the camera back around towards the water, just how close these houses are to the water. From the back patio, it is just 20 feet from the patio to the boat ramp. That is amazing. You just don't find that on the lake. So if you want to be close, you're not looking for that steep hill climb to go down to the lake, this is it. You're going to come in very open, very rustic, and a very, very functional layout. All this space is usable. They certainly didn't waste an inch here. Let's head on inside and take a look. All right, as we walk in, it welcomes you to this wonderful open floor plan. You can see we've got the beautiful knotty pine floors, hardwoods here, and then also in the ceiling with the recessed lighting. The walls are also knotty pine. It has been painted this nice, I would call it kind of a hunter green color that really does well with the feel of this house. You've got the stone gas log fireplace behind us. You've got TV set up above that. Look on into the kitchen. Granite countertops here at the bar area. Stainless steel appliances, smooth cooktop. Stainless steel refrigerator. We've got a pantry area here, which is nice. Shelves. And then this just feeds over to the laundry room and then into the 2-car garage area. The garage, by the way, was just repainted, so the garage is in great shape. Let's take a step up. We've talked about this a number of times, but again, just how close we are to the water. Let's take a look up at the back deck. And I'll tell you one thing we would do. We would spend a lot of time out here at this table having dinner, and especially just how close you are down to the water. I've measured this off from the back patio leaving to get to the ramp is only 20 feet. And you just don't find that. I mean, you know, you could sit here and throw fish food out to the fish that are down there. I can see a few swimming right down there below the riprap. But again, you can see we've got an ironwood dock. We'll get down there in a minute. But just a great area to really enjoy the water because it's, you know, 180 degrees on both sides from everywhere you look on this deck. Alright, let's go on into the master. One thing I love about this house, you've got 2 bedrooms on the main level. So if you have 2 families, you can put one family or mother, father in this bedroom to the right, and then you have the owners of the house, which would be in this bedroom. This will be considered the master. You've got a jetted tub, separate tile shower, tile floors, granite countertops, old rub bronze fixtures. The house is in excellent condition. You have solid wood doors throughout the home. Come on here again. This bedroom is going to have its own bathroom as well, tub shower combo. Granite countertops, tile again, ceiling fan in the bedroom. You can set up the TVs for the guests on the wall. Alright, let's head down to the basement and check it out. downstairs, we've got carpet and tile on the flooring. Very comfortable. Got a recreational area here, nice area for a pool table. Got a couple of storage closets over there. As you can see, they also have a nice seating area, TV up on the wall. Got a kitchenette area over here. This is actually an ice machine, which is always great to have for a lake house. So you got the ice machine here, microwave, extra refrigerator, sink. Let's step into this bedroom. Nice sized bedroom here. Great lake view out of this bedroom as well. This bedroom is going to have its own bath. Every bedroom, and they've got TV set up on the walls for the guests or for the kids. Again, granite tile on the floors. Now, as you can see, you've also got raised ceilings down here in this level. So you've got the recessed lighting. It just makes it feel much bigger in this area. You've got the 2 bedrooms here. These are both very nice sized bedrooms. And this one especially has a huge closet. As you can see, they utilize this closet for a lot of the storage of the ski stuff, life vest, all those types of things, but there's plenty of storage in there. And then this bathroom is shared by the 2 bedrooms. Again, the tile floors, tub shower combo, and then a nice bedroom over here that's going to have its own access out to the back deck, as well as the master bedroom does upstairs. And a great view. Again, all the TVs have all the bedrooms have the nice TVs on the wall. Let's step outside. Again, we've talked about this more than once now. All right, come out. This is great because you've got this nice patio area that they've put the roof underneath the deck upstairs. So even on rainy days, you get down here, enjoy the fire, the propane gas fireplace that you have here. And as I said, literally 20 feet from the patio to the boat ramp. Ironwood dock, as you can see, riprap already in place. Got a nice lift here. I've got a storage box and 2 of the jet ski buoys. So just a fantastic setup. Looks like new. And look at the view. Well, great thing about this, we're looking out towards the main lake, but you're back here in a nice wide cove area, very deep water. We're talking 25 feet deep off the well backside of this dock. But a great place to swim and really enjoy the lake. And again, look how close you are to the house. I mean, that is certainly one of the many features of this beautiful home. If you'd like to set up a viewing appointment, give us a call, 800-682-9098, and we'll be glad to meet you out here. But I wouldn't expect this house to be on the market very long. Enjoy the aerial video.